In front of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access calendar and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Then click on this plus icon and select new event. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title over here, or click on this icon and select one of those, like breakfast. You can also pick starting and ending hour or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day event, or invite people from your contact book. You can even add location. Click at the chosen one, scroll down, take notes, choose repeat and select if you want your event to repeat by clicking on one of those options. I don't want to, so I will go back. And now choose alert. Over here you can set up an alert, for example 1 day before your event, and save your changes by tapping on OK. When you're ready, click on this icon at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!